Hi, Emma. Do you want to do a quiz?
OK. What's it about?
It's called Our Wonderful World. OK, question 1. What is the fastest animal in the world?
A cheetah.
No, it's a bird called a peregrine falcon. It can fly at 390 kilometres an hour. Question 2. How small is the smallest mammal in the world?
This big?
Not bad. It's about 2.5 centimetres. It's a bumblebee bat from Thailand. It's a mammal, but it's smaller than some insects. OK, question 3. What is the most populated city in the world?
London?
No,
Give me a clue.
it's in Asia.
Beijing?
No, Tokyo.
I'm not doing very well, am I?
OK, an easier one. Question 4. Which is the longest river in the world?
The longest? I don't think it's the Amazon. It's the Nile, isn't it?
Correct. OK, now question 5. What is the biggest mammal?
I don't know. An elephant?
No, it's a blue whale.
Are you sure?
Yes, blue whales are huge. They are mammals even though they live in the sea. Now, last one. Who is the best student in the class?
What? That isn't a real question. Show me that.
Me.